We're here in Kansas City at Shuttlewagon headquarters in the repair and service area. This is a 2012 SWX 420, and I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why you absolutely want to buy a certified used Shuttlewagon. The first reason is we buy the absolute best units that are available on the market. The second reason you want to buy a certified used Shuttlewagon is because we're going to check out all facets of the machine. And if there's anything that's not up to our stringent high quality standards, you know what we're going to do? We're going to take it apart. And as you can see from this machine, we're taking it apart. Our world-class technicians work on railcar movers all day, every day. They're going to make sure that this unit gets put back together in tip-top condition. If it needs a new engine, it's going to get a new engine. If it needs an updated transmission, it's going to get an updated transmission. Our technicians are going to inspect every facet of this machine to make sure it's up to par before we send this out to a customer. If it needs to get shined, it's going to get shined. If it needs updated tires, it's going to get updated tires. If you don't buy a certified used Shuttlewagon, maybe they'll change the oil and maybe they'll change the windshield wipers. The third reason to buy certified used from Shuttlewagon, we're going to be able to add options to this unit to make it tailored for your environment, to make it tailored for your use cases. This particular machine has been sold to a Canadian customer, and it's getting a hydraulic broom and snowplow via a universal mounting bracket. It's going to be serviceable for different types of snow, in addition to sweeping debris from tracks and the facility premises. You're not going to be able to get that if you don't buy certified used from us, I guarantee it. The fourth reason you should buy a certified used Shuttlewagon is because we rigorously test these machines after all of the updates are made. We make sure that the electronics are sound, we make sure that the braking is sound, we make sure that the towing capacity is what these units are meant to do, and if we put any options on it, we make sure that those fully function as well. The fifth and final reason is if you buy a certified used Shuttlewagon, we can add on a preventive maintenance agreement for that extra peace of mind. For more information on how Shuttlewagon buys used units, fixes them up, and then sells them certified, please contact your Shuttlewagon salesperson today. Thank you.